Hello, my name is Álvaro Julián Quintero Marroquín. This is my ID card. I am going to talk about my trip to Rome, where I visited the Roman Colosseum, which I thought was a great destination and very romantic. The Roman Colosseum is in the center of the city of Rome in a very nice neighborhood with restaurants and many beautiful places. In this photo, I am with a beautiful Italian that I met in Rome, with whom I shared incredible moments and we became engaged. She and I at at Italian food restaurant. Then we were in a very quiet lake, and at night we listened to music while watching the stars. The night is cool and very quiet. I have on a shirt and pants, and my girlfriend has a nice blue dress, white white. It was a great moment. Thank you. Goodbye.